me straight in the house, Panthers. My cousin Punky should be arriving any minute. He's staying with Panky and me for a few days.
Oh, boy! You didn't want to join the rope?
Murphy says we should take the kid in that corner and show him the ropes.
Well, that's why he's coming, guys. His folks wrote Dad a letter saying poor Punky had no pals to play with.
Great! We'll have a blast! Whoops!
Pumpkin, watch where you point my super suction super vac. It's super powerful. See what I mean?
Oh, well, don't worry, Murphy. I'll just reverse the switch.
Your cousin Punky has chosen a fortuitous time for his visit as it coincides with the film festival honoring your father.
Yeah, it'll be a real family affair tonight. In fact, Dad's in the garage right now looking for his best shorts.
Hey, you can borrow a pair of mine, Pinky.
Film shorts, Rocco. Film shorts.
Faster, man, faster! I must get my latest discovery to the museum before it thaws.
Hey, what's back there, Dr. Van Loon?
What's back there? Only the missing link between today's domestic cats and the ferocious felines of yesterday. Now step on it!
One microcentimeter down. No, a little higher. Perfect, Pinky.
That must be Cousin Punky now.
For once, Murphy, I couldn't have said it better myself. That's Cousin Punky.
Well, I haven't seen him since he was a little baby. Welcome, cousin. Don't be shy, Cousin Punky. Come on, I'll introduce you to the Rainbow Panthers. Shut the door behind you. And this is Annie O. Gizmo.
Doesn't say much, does he?
I guess he's just a low-key kind of cat. So much for low-key. Don't be so cute, cousin.
Yeah, Murphy, he is sort of weird.
I guess you've already bumped into Cousin Punky, Dad. He seems a little high-strung, so we're gonna take him out for a little while, okay?
Maybe Punky would like to try his hand at the video arcade.
Yeah. What do you say, cousin?
Hey, Pinky, who's your far-out friend?
Yeah, Finko, get a load of that furry pink weirdo.
Don't bother me, Howl. I'm 200 points away from a free game.
This is my distant cousin Punky, Leona.
Charmed, I'm sure. I just love the strong, silent type.
I did it! It took 3 years, but I won!
No, not again! Quick, Leona, grab him!
My pleasure, Pinky. Wow! Your cousin seems to have swept me off my feet.
Hey, no fair! I had a free game coming!
Who's gonna pay for this?
Gee, thanks for helping us out, Dad.
And you, stay out of here.
Hey, how about reimbursement for the free game I missed?
Get lost, Finko. Nothing's for free.
Ice cream!
Good idea, Pinky. Maybe an ice cream will cool off our cousin.
Hey, kids, get some nice cold ice cream.
Get what I said about good idea, Pinky.
That's It's 2 dozen vanilla cones, 14 ice cream pies, 8 frozen chocolate bars, and 1 set of bells. Now, who's gonna pay for all this?
Oh, sorry we have to bother you again, Mr. Pater. Punter, Panther.
Oh, thanks, Dad. Listen, Punky, you're just gonna have to learn to control yourself. You said it, Murphle. Cousin Punky is an expensive guest to have around.
I've seen boxers act the same way. Real calm, then they go wild in the ring.
Ring? You've hit it, Rocco.
They did?
Yes. The doorbell, the video game, the ice cream truck, all had ringing bells. And he appears to have isolated the troublesome stimulus, Pinky.
Just in time, too. We're all doing my dad's film festival in a couple of hours.
If you ask me, taking this guy along is a risky preparation. No, I mean proposition.
Yeah, Punky might KO the place. 1 bell and he comes out swinging.
Then we gotta make sure he doesn't hear one. And I think I know how.
Quite a crowd is gathered at the hotel for tonight's festival banquet honoring the films of the Pink Panther. He's just arrived with his 2 sons, their friends, and a assorted relative.
Those earmuffs were a good idea, Pinky. But I didn't have much time to soundproof them. Then we better keep an ear out. No, I mean an eye out for any bells.
Our guest of honor will screen some of his favorite films for us. Right after the gourmet meal prepared by our French chef. Ladies and gentlemen, dinner is served.
Quick hands, Rocco.
First time I ever jumped the bell.
If we get through this banquet, I shall take it upon myself to teach you the rudiments of etiquette, Punky.
And now for our first short, Pink Pandemonium.
The Panther Rouge is mon favorite. I keep one eye on the soufflés, the other on the film.
Punky's behaving himself so far.
I am receiving olfactory evidence of an apparent conflagration.
I smell something burning.
Sacré bleu, the soufflés, they're flambés.
Oh no! Fire!
Oh no! Fire bells! Sorry we let Cousin Punky get out of hand and mess up your night, Dad.
Au contraire, he has saved the day by putting out the fire. Bravo, mon ami! You are the hero!
We've taken all the necessary precautions, Pinky. The phones are off the hook.
You said it, Murphle. No way those alarm clocks are gonna ring. In fact, when it comes to bells, I think we've got everything covered.
I regret to inform you that in your haste you apparently have overlooked the front doorbell.
Whew, that was close.
Afternoon, kids. I'm Dr. Darwin Van Loon, and I've been searching the neighborhood for a missing link. He looks something like that.
You mean that's not Cousin Punky?
Certainly not. That's my missing link. Thanks for looking after him. Hope he didn't cause much trouble. These links can be real terrors if they hear any ringing.
Ha! We know!
Hold it, kiddo!
Why, you must be Cousin Pinky. I'm your Cousin Punky. Sorry I'm a day late.
That's okay, cousin. At least we won't have to worry about bells with you.
Bells? Horns drive me